All right, not too enthusiastic, ladies and gentlemen, and with good reason. But before we get to our closing bell report, I want to welcome Dish Network viewers that would normally be seeing our friends at Fox Business Network on this very channel. Now, although we don't know the future of Fox on Dish Network, Newsmax TV is available on channel 223 24/7. So that means we'll be on this, channel while Fox Business is not there. But we're also on 223, and we'll be there always. So if Fox Business should come back, you could switch right over to 223 and watch us there. So wherever you're watching us, welcome aboard. Rob Williams is watching me right now, and now we're going to be watching him, Newsmax Deputy Financial Editor, with the daily closing bell report. And let's put the numbers up on the screen, and they're not pretty, but we'll look at them anyway. The Dow down 55 points today, and it's now dropped below 18,000. The S&P down 11, and the NASDAQ down 30. And you always include small caps. Small caps down slightly, just about even. So what happened today? It's got end of year selling or whatever, or what?
Well, yeah.
We have disappointing numbers in consumer confidence too.
Consumer confidence looked pretty good. Not as good as expected, but still very, very positive. Well,
98.6, if I remember correctly.
Very good.
It's easy to remember because maybe I'm wrong, but I thought the guy said 98.6. Anyway,
Okay.
All right. Anyway, go ahead.
Well, yeah, the Dow and the S&P closed at records yesterday, and so I wasn't surprised to see a little bit of selling here and there. There's only one trading day left of the year, and that's tomorrow.
Is it a full day or 1 o'clock?
It'll be a full day.
Yeah.
The market closes at 4 o'clock, and then everyone could pile into Times Square and bring in the new year.
Right. Well, oil. Let's talk about oil again. Today, just a slight gain, I guess.
It did. Oil bounced back slightly, but energy stocks, some of them did get a bit of a lift. But it doesn't look as if oil has hit a bottom yet. I mean, the United States is still pumping out a lot of oil. The rig count has gone down recently, the number of rigs that are operating. But as far as the output, that still continues to climb. So we haven't really seen the fall in oil prices show up yet in output.
All right, let's talk a little bit year in review. It's our last time together for 2014. The Dow, Intel, I guess, it rose 42% this year, right?
Yeah, Intel was the biggest gainer for the Dow, up 42%, as you mentioned, and that went up with a lot of tech hardware. IBM was the biggest loser in the Dow. It went down 15%, but it's not as much in the hardware business anymore, and it's having a difficulty.
It's transitioning.
Right. It's gotten more into services, and it's really trying to get more into the cloud computing, where people are kind of basically sharing computer space hosted in the cloud.
Right.
And so IBM is really trying to get on top of that.
I know some people have had their head in the cloud for a long time. All right, the sector winners, I know that utilities did very well, and technology did very well, and healthcare did very well.
Right, and nobody expected utilities to do as well as it did this year, but I think it was up 20%.
27%, yeah.
27%. Now, some people could see that as kind of a bad sign that investors are piling into safe stocks like utilities. Utilities aren't the highest growing companies. Right. They pay a steady dividend. They pay steady revenues, but, electricity has been around a long time, so it could be a warning sign that people are seeking safety.
I don't want to hear warning signs. I want to hear go, 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 go as we close out 2014 and head to 2015. Happy New Year to you and your family.
Happy New Year. Thanks, Steve.
We'll speak to you next year.
That's
Rob
right.
Williams, Newsmax Deputy Financial Editor. And folks, if you want to take control of your financial future, you know what to do. There it is. It pops up on the screen whenever I talk about it. Whenever I think about it, it pops up on the screen. Check out moneynews.com. It's there live for you 24/7. And coming up next, the final installment of installment number 2 of Gimme 5, the notable quotables. Don't miss it.